Hey guys, what's up? My name's Eric and I'm the Techy Agent, and this is the Apple Watch Series 4. This is the brand new Apple Watch Series 5, and these are my first thoughts and impressions of this new watch. So I won't bore you with an unboxing video. I'm sure there's other unboxing videos on YouTube if that's the thing you want to see. This is going to be my first thoughts and impressions, and in particular, my first thoughts and impressions as it pertains to the health and fitness tracking abilities of the new Apple Watch Series 5, since that really is the focus of this channel. In terms of look and feel and size, you're getting pretty much the same experience as the Apple Watch Series 4. As a matter of fact, when I put them side by side, I really can't tell the difference. Even the optical heart rate sensor on the back appears to be the same. As you can see in this video, we have the Apple Watch Series 4 on the left, we have the Apple Watch Series 5 on the right, and they appear to be pretty much identical. Both of these are the 44mm versions. One of the differences that I don't think is really going to matter in the end is that the new Apple Watch Series 5 was shipped with an Apple Watch strap that appeared to be a little bit thicker than the Apple Watch strap that the Series 4 was shipped with. Again, I don't think this is a major difference. It's probably more or less just a manufacturing thing for Apple, and maybe they decided in the end that they thought a thicker watch strap felt better for consumers. Now, in terms of health and fitness features, again, you're going to get basically the same experience as the Apple Watch Series 4. In fact, a lot of people at this point are actually very disappointed with Apple that they did not release native sleep tracking on the Series 5. I honestly didn't mind so much because I use the Auto Sleep application that you can just download right from the app market, and one of the things that makes the Apple Watch attractive to me is the ability to use third-party software and really get a customized health and fitness experience, so not having native sleep tracking for me wasn't really a big issue. One of the things that I do care about is battery life, and I'm not talking about battery life in terms of how long can you wear this before you have to charge it. I'm talking about battery life as it relates to using the GPS on this. The battery life on all previous generation Apple Watches was pretty abysmal when it came to using your GPS. I mean, really, you would not be able to go for a long marathon or an all-day hike and use the GPS. You would definitely run out of battery power before you had finished. But this watch has the ability to go a full day with an always-on display. Now, it is a low-energy display, and it's a few little tricks up their sleeves that they're using to get that all-day use. However, you can disable that feature. You can turn off the always on display, and my hope is that the battery life on this is improved with that feature turned off, and you might be able to get a little bit more GPS battery life out of this watch over previous generations. The Series 5 will still have the ECG sensor that the Series 4 did. One new feature is that there is going to be cycle tracking for women, and it will also track your noise exposure throughout the day, letting you know if you're being exposed to levels of noise that could be detrimental to your hearing. Other than that, it does not really appear that Apple is going to be doing anything new in terms of active fitness tracking on the new Series 5. Now, all of that could change in our real-world tests, so make sure you stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for our full fitness review where we take this and put the watch through a wide variety of fitness exercises. Hey guys, thanks for watching. My name is Eric and I'm the Techy Agent. We'll catch you next time.